Hi friends, welcome to Biology Learners. Today's topic is immunity. Every day we are exposed to large number of infectious agents. However, only a few of these exposures result in disease. That is why this is due to the fact that the body has its own defense system, that it rejects all the foreign bodies and agents. So this ability of the host to fight the disease causing organism that is conferred by our immune systems is known as immunity. Now we talk about its type. It is summarized here. So let's take a look. It can be acquired and innate immunity. Acquired immunity is further divided into two types, that is active and passive. Active is further of two types, that is natural infection, that is the immunity that is acquired by natural infection, and the second one by artificial, that is vaccination. Passive is again of two types, that is natural and artificial. Okay, so let's come to innate immunity. Innate immunity is non-specific type of defense. Non-specific type, it is present at the time of birth, means it is not acquired, it is present after we are born. Okay, this is accomplished by providing different types of barriers to the entry of foreign agents into our body. Innate immunity consists of four types of barriers. So what are these barriers? First one is physical barrier. Okay, physical barrier like our skin, mucosa that are present in different cells, like mucosal cells are there, cilia are there, in our oral cavity they are mucosa, in gastrointestinal tract, respiratory tract. These mucosas are there to help trapping the microorganisms so that it could not cause disease in the host or to our body. Okay, skin is the natural barrier. Okay, now physiological barrier, there are fever, pH, secretions. Fever, high temperature of body that inhibit the growth of microorganism. pH, secretions like sebum that contain lysozyme, that is the enzyme that destroys the microorganism so that it could not further cause the damage to our body. Okay, third type of barrier is cellular barrier, like polymorphonuclear leukocytes, PMNL neutrophil जिसको बोलते हैं. Second one is monocytes or natural killer cells. These are present as cellular barrier. So, and the last one is, next is cytokine barriers. Virus infected cells secrete proteins that are known as interferons, which protect non-infected cells from further viral infection. So let's come to innate immunity again. Let's revise it. So innate immunity is non-specific type of immunity that is present from birth. Okay. Now it consists of different types of barriers. That is, first one is physical or anatomical barrier that are made up of skin and mucosa. Okay, skin, that is, as we all know, it is a main barrier and natural barrier that prevents the microorganism to infect our body. Okay, second one is mucosa that entraps the microbes that enter our body. Okay, like mucosa contain mucosal cells and cilia. Second one is physiological barriers. Physiological barriers में fever, pH of body and secretions. Okay, like acid in the stomach, saliva in mouth, tears. These all are the physiological barriers. Third one is cellular barrier. Example, PMNL neutrophils, that is polymorphonuclear leukocytes, monocytes and natural killer cells. Okay. Next one we come to uh, cytokine barrier. Cytokine barrier had example, that is interferon. What are interferon now? Interferon are the antiviral protein that is made up of 270 amino acids that are secreted by virus infected cells and stimulates the adjacent cells to produce translation inhibiting protein that helps the non-infected cells that to protect themselves and so that they could not be infected. Okay, now these were innate immunity. Now we'll talk about acquired immunity in our next class. So thanks for watching.